Hey there! Welcome to a quick overview of Buffer. In the next couple of minutes, I'll show you how to use Buffer to manage your social media efficiently, and maybe even with a little sparkle. After watching, feel free to pop back to any section to click on any video link to learn more about that feature. Alright, let's learn about Buffer. The first thing you'll do after creating your Buffer account is to connect your social channels. From there, surely the ideas will be flowing. Head straight to the Create space where you can store any thought, image, video, or link as an idea that could potentially be used as content down the road. This is where your ideas will evolve from sparks to polished posts. And whether you take an idea from your Create space or start a post straight from your queue, scheduling posts is the first step to getting content in front of your followers. This process is super simple, although we think you'll find that our optional features add a special touch. Examples of those features include the AI assistant, integrations with image editors, an easy way to insert a bundle of hashtags all at once, and the ability to schedule the first comment alongside your post. The fun doesn't stop once your post is scheduled though. Within Buffer, you can easily pivot to your community tab to engage with comments on your posts. From there, celebrate your posting success and learn more about what your followers love seeing from you by perusing your analytics. So now that you have an idea of what Buffer can do for you, feel free to hop back to any link in this video to dive deeper into the features you're most curious about. So what do you think? Want to try it out for yourself? Hop over to our pricing page to get going. And if you need help at any time, click on the question mark in the lower right-hand corner of your Buffer dashboard or from the Help Center.